Hey everyone, let's solve QuantGuide's colorful cube problem. This problem is the second problem of the Quant Trader 75 playlist. So the problem asks, consider coloring the six sides of a cube with a distinct color among red, blue, green, yellow, purple, and pink. Find the probability that the sides that are colored red, green, and blue all share a vertex of the cube, i.e. a corner, in common. There are multiple ways to solve this problem, but we'll cover two methods in this video. One where we count the number of color orientations that fit our criteria, and the other where we condition the probability on certain events. Let's start with the first method. In front of us is a cube which has six sides. And since there are six sides, there are six factorial ways to arrange the colors onto the cube in total. So this is our total. How many of these fit our criteria of the red, green, and blue sides sharing a corner? Well, there are 8 different corners that these three colors can share on a cube. So there are 4 on top, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 on bottom. 1, 2, 3, and then one you can't see, that's all the way back here. So 8 corners total. When these colors do share a corner, they can arrange themselves in any order that they would like. So when we pick red, green, and blue to share a corner, there are 3 factorial ways, since there's 3 colors, to arrange themselves. So 3 color arrangements. In the same respect, with the 3 colors that are left, yellow, purple, and pink, they have to use the sides that are not being used. And there are 3 factorial ways for those to also be arranged. Thus, in total, we have 8 different corners times 3 factorial ways to arrange red, blue, and green, times 3 factorial ways to arrange yellow, purple, and pink. Now, all of that is over our 6 factorial total ways to arrange all the 6 colors. If you solve this out, this yields a probability of 2 over 5. Now let's try a method that's a bit easier in terms of the math. So the other way to arrive at the exact same answer is to use probabilistic conditioning. Let's fix red on one of the 6 sides of the cube. Let's just say that this front side here is red, or R. What is the probability that green is sharing a corner with red? Well, that would mean that the red and green sides are adjacent. And given that there are 5 sides left, there are 4 of which that are immediately adjacent to the red side. So top, bottom, left, and right. So 4 sides adjacent, which gives us a probability of 4 over 5. So now that we have the red and green sides together, we need to place the blue side. There are 4 sides that are left that blue can be placed on. And out of these 4 sides, let's just say that green takes this one. Blue will only have 2 options in which it'll touch both red and green. And so in the case that we have red and green oriented like this, blue will either have to go on this side here or on that side there that you can't see. And that's true with any orientation of red and green together. So there are 2 sides that blue can go on. So there are 2 sides that are adjacent to both red and green. That gives us a probability of 2 over 4, which is the same thing as 1/2. Now, putting these probabilities together, we have the first 4/5 probability that both red and green are together. And after we condition that, we have a 1/2 chance that blue is next to both red and green. This gives us a total probability of 2/5 that red, green, and blue are all sharing one corner. That is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you want more in-depth interview material, head over to QuantGuide.io. It's free to sign up, and there are over 1,200 interview questions. Links in the description.